Greetings, my family. The Most High blesses us with this moment of reflection. Let the wisdom of the ancients light your way.
Baby, please, for your heart, for your love, me would I do anything. Anything as long as you're there with me, 'cause me can't manage this lonely feeling. Me know something wrong, me can't deny. Me bring tears to your pretty eyes. Now every night me day I reminiscing, thinking about the love we gone missing. Please, look past me mistakes. Me finally wake up now and see the change. Now me know better, now me see clearer. No girl in the world can replace you. Me know Saint hard to deal with my ways. Too much heartbreak, too much pain. Easier said than done fi forgive, but baby without you me know I live. Me quick take it back to the start again. From the first hello to the first little date. First kiss under the moonlight sky. First time you tell me say you woulda never lied. How we used to love up all night long, hold each other tight while the music plays slow songs. Promise that forever we woulda never part. No me standing here with a broken heart. Baby me sorry, me I beg you fi make it right. Even if you done decide if you walk out of me life. You want me joy, you want me happiness too. Anytime stress come and you pull me through. Me know say we both did wrong sometimes, but true love deserve one more try. Baby, now left me lonely. Now make this story deck tonight. Give me one more chance to love you right. Remember when we used to talk about future plans? Little house on the beach and a wedding band. Talk about picnic running round the yard while we grow old together through the hard parts. But somewhere down the road things change. Too much cuss, too much pain. Love get cold and the vibes turn dark. No silence, alone a tear we apart. But not lie, you hurt me too. Some nights me cry and you never knew. But me still rather fix what we build from scratch than fi watch another man take me match. Everybody know we loved it deep. Now them see we drifting further every week. Pain teach lessons, pride never could. Now me ready for love you, oh me should. If loving you a war, me ready for fight. 'Cause deep in my soul, you still feel right. And even if your heart already gone, me still a pray say one day you come home. No, every scar mean the love can't heal. No, every goodbye mean the ending real. Before you walk away completely, hear the truth from me heart sincerely. Baby, me sorry, me I beg you down for me knees tonight. Me know say me mash up your trust too many times. Still you are the peace where calm the storms. The only place where me heart feel warm. And even if you don't feel the same, me heart still a call your name. From the first dance to the last embrace, no other girl could ever take your place. So if one little piece of love still there in your heart, please, no let forever fall apart. Extra prop on the beat, still waiting on your call. Still open, feel love. Baby, come on. Sweet lovers rock vibe tonight. Cedric Rootsman singing from the heart. For every couple trying to survive the storm, true love still stands strong. Sweet rubber dub love and the moonlight glow. Even through the hard times, me not let you go. Fight and argue, but we still hold tight. True love stronger than the darkest night. Sweet rubber dub love, feel it in the air. Even when life rough, girl, me still there. No other heart could ever replace the love in your eyes and the smile on your face. She stand by me when my pocket dry. Even when depression nearly take my life. Now me thank Jah for a woman so true. Well, heap of fake love can't compare to you. When me lose direction, I'ma fall apart. She hold me close and heal me heart. Through the struggle and the sleepless night, she become a reason to continue fight. Friends did leave when me had nothing at all, but she stayed firm and never let me fall. even when my words turn sharp like pain. She love me same through sunshine and rain. Now me realize love no mean perfection, but standing firm through every direction. Every argument we still find a way. We come back stronger every next day. Real love no run when pressure come near. It stay through struggle, pain and fear. I'ma finally understand the truth tonight. She is my peace, my fire, my light. Sweet, sweet rubber double love and the moonlight glow. Even through the hard times, me not let you go. Fight and argue, but we still hold tight. True love stronger than the darkest night. Sweet rubber double love, feel it in the air. Even when life rough, girl, me still there. No other heart could ever replace the love in your eyes and the smile on your face. She cries sometimes when me go get low, but still she stand out in the crowd. No luxury car or diamond ring could ever replace the love she bring. We build from nothing, start from scratch. Two broken hearts, still find a match. Even when the world try pull we apart, she keep the rhythm inside me heart. We at night talking on the street like glow, sharing dreams only we two know. Future uncertain but love stay real, cause she know exactly how I feel. And if tomorrow the world turn cold, still I hand me forever hold. Cause rubber double love no fade or die, it only gets stronger over time. Hold me close, don't let go. True love growing out the struggle, you know. No money, no fame, just you and I, together until the end of time. Sweet rubber double love and the moonlight glow. Even through the hard times, me not let you go. Fight and argue, but we still hold tight. True love stronger than the darkest night. Sweet rubber double love, feel it in the air. Even when life rough, girl, me still there. No other heart could ever replace the love in your eyes and the smile on your face. Cedric Rootsman, lovers rock style. True love never die, it only grow. One love, one heart, forever. Yeah. For every soul fighting silent battles, for the sick, the weak, the struggling, mama pray for me. Jah hear everywhere. Give thanks always, Jah, even when life gets harder. Through the sickness and the pain, Jah blessings fall like rain. Give thanks always, Jah, when my strength feel weaker. In the storm and hurricane, Jah love still remain. Yeah, no. Doctor said this sickness serious now. Still me kneel down and bow. Faith stronger than fear tonight. Jah guide me through the darkest night. Heart racing, body feeling weak, but me still find strength to speak. Every breath feel like a fight. Still me trust Jah with all my might. Family crying round my bed, memories running through me head, but me refuse to lose the light. Cause Jah hand hold me tight. Even when the pain no ease, me find comfort on my knees, praying through the suffering deep, while the whole world fast asleep. Mama says, son, don't give up yet. Jah never fail you, don't forget. Through every trial, every tear, divine protection always near. Give thanks always, Jah, even when life gets harder. Through the sickness and the pain, Jah blessings fall like rain. Oh, give thanks always, Jah, when my strength feel weaker. the storm and hurricane, your love still remain. Mama pray every single night, lighting candle burning bright. She whisper psalms through the dark, sending healing straight to me heart. That room full of uncertainty, but mama faith stronger than what them see. She said my child will rise again, even through suffering and pain. Friends start visiting less and less, fear of sickness and distress, but mama never step away. She there every single day, even when hope feel far away. Mama prayers never stray. She believed Jah hear her call, and him not let her child fall. Now I feel strength returning slow, like mercy starting to grow. Pain still there, but less each day. Jah guiding me all the way. Mama pray, don't stop praying. Jah hear every word you say. Healing come in mysterious way, and darkness must fade away. Give thanks always, Jah, even when life gets harder. Through the sickness and the pain, Jah blessings fall like rain. Give thanks always, Jah, when my strength feel weaker. In the storm and hurricane, Jah love still remain. Mama pray for me, and Jah never let go. Cedric Rootsman, one love, healing flow. Oh, na 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 na. Rain falling on zinc rooftop tonight. Lonely hearts crying in silence. Cedric Rootsman sing for the broken souls. Jah know every tear. Dreadlocks in the rain, tears falling again. Too much people smiling while them hiding pain. Broken hearts everywhere, nobody feel blame. Still Jah light shining through the rain. Dreadlocks in the rain, soul searching again. Trying to hold strong while me fighting the pain. Whole world full of pressure driving people insane. Still Jah love washing down like the rain. Woman lose her husband, now she sleeping alone. Every little memory turn the house to stone. Picture on the dresser make her start cry, asking Jah why good people have to die. Youth man sick and can't pay for medication. System fail the poor across the nation. Still him hold faith and not give up fight, cause every dark tunnel still need light. Single mother tired from the long work shift, trying to stay strong while the bills them drift. Picnic need shoes and the fridge nearly bare. Still she kneel down and whisper prayer. Man lose him woman through misunderstanding. Now him sit alone with a buckle in a hand. Late night memories keep tearing him apart. Rain outside matching the pain in him heart. Too much silent suffering in the streets today. Some people laugh low just for hide pain away. Depression getting deeper every passing year. Still Jah voice whisper, my children persevere. Dreadlocks in the rain, tears falling again. Too much people smiling while them hiding pain. Broken hearts everywhere, nobody feel blame. Still Jah light shining through the rain. Dreadlocks in the rain, soul searching again. Trying to feel strong while me fighting the pain. Cold world full of pressure driving people insane. Still Jah love washing down like the rain. Old father sitting lonely on the veranda side. Children move abroad and know him swallow pride. Phone barely ring and the silence loud. Yet yet him still thank Jah. While watching clouds, young girl battling anxiety and fear, smiling from the outside while drowning in tears. Friends can't see the war inside her brain. Every night she cry like the falling rain. Man get laid off from the factory gate. Know him questioning life and blaming fate. Pocket empty and confidence low, but just say suffering hell, the righteous grow. Broken marriage leaves scars on the soul. Our trust gets shattered and our heart turn cold. Still somewhere deep inside she pray that true love might return one day. Rain keep falling but the earth still live. Pain teach lessons only life can give. No matter how the storm clouds stay, just sunlight find a way someday. Hold on widow, hold on so far out, hold on lonely hearts. Better days coming after the rain. The rain, tears falling again. Too much people smiling while them hiding pain. Broken hearts everywhere, nobody feel blame. Still Jah light shining through the rain. Dreadlocks in the rain, soul searching again. Trying to hold strong while me fighting the pain. Whole world full of pressure driving people insane. Still Jah love washing down like the rain. Rain washing pain away tonight. Cedric Rootsman, sing for the lonely souls. Jah never abandon the broken hearted. After the storm, sunshine must come. Yeah. Cedric Rootsman sing for the sufferers tonight. For every struggling father, every single mother, every hungry child, just see that poor man cry tonight. Still Jah guide him through the fight. Pocket empty but faith still strong. One day suffering if you done. Poor man cry tonight, trying to survive through the darkest night. Even when the system do him wrong, Jah remind him to hold on strong. Hey, yeah. Lost him job and him can't buy food. Stress and pressure affecting him mood. Children hungry and the landlord a call. Still him refuse to let himself fall. Every morning him wake before sunrise, trying to stay hopeful while tears fill him eyes. Bills pile up like mountain stone, yet him still fighting this world alone. Single mother working double shift, feet hurting but she never quit. School fee due and the cupboard low, still she smiles so her children never know. Politicians speaking on television screen, promising better life that nobody ever seen. Meanwhile poor people struggling every day, trying hard not to lose them way. Youth man graduate but no work inside. Depression and frustration keeping him awake at night. Friends turn enemies when the money disappear. Now him battling loneliness and fear. Too much people suffering silently today, smiling in public while pain eats away. But Jah never sleep, mother sick and can't buy medication. Healthcare expensive across the nation. Hospital crowded and the waiting line long. Still him whisper old redemption songs. Broken marriage from financial strain. Too much stress bringing emotional pain. Love get cold when survival get hard. No two broken hearts carry emotional scars. Widow sitting quietly by the window side, missing the husband who once stood with pride. Now she battling life by herself each day, praying just on my make her way. Young girl lose confidence and self-esteem. Social media destroy her dreams, comparing herself till she breaks inside, while secretly crying when nobody can find. Still the Rasta man planting food on the hill, teaching the youth to survive with skill. Herbs and wisdom healing the land, trying to rebuild with honest hands. One day justice I go reach the poor, and suffering won't knock on the door. Till then the people keep holding on, singing jam music till the pain is gone. Hold on, sufferers, better days coming after the storm. No pain lasts forever, your children must survive. Poor man cry tonight, still just guide him through the fight. Pocket empty but faith still strong. One day suffering half it done. Poor man cry tonight, trying to survive through the darkest night. Even when the system doing wrong, just remind him fi walk alone strong. Cedric Rootsman sing truth tonight. For the poor and forgotten people, your blessings upon every sufferer. One love forever. For every mother praying through the night, for every soul fighting silent battles, Jah hear the cry. Give thanks always, Jah, even when life gets harder. Through the sickness and the pain, Jah blessings fall like rain. Give thanks always, Jah, when the road feel longer. Through the fire and hurricane, Jah love still remain. Doctor said the sickness serious now, still me kneel down and bow. Faith stronger than fear tonight. Jah guide me through the darkest night. Breath getting short but me still hold on. Mama voice singing prayer song. Every tear she crying in the dark, light up hope deep in me heart. Hospital bed and the machines are so, but my spirit still firm and grounded. Fear try come but me push it away, cause Jah mercy guide me every day. Family sitting with worried eyes, but me tell them no need to cry, cause even when the body feel weak, Jah strength is what I seek. Memories flashing of better days, but me choose to trust Jah ways. Even if the road unclear, I know Jah presence is always near. Hey, Mama says son, just hold on tight. Jah will carry you through the night. Every prayer she send above, wrap me in eternal love. Give thanks always, Jah, even when life get harder. Through the sickness and the pain, Jah blessings fall like rain. Oh, give thanks always, Jah, when the road feel longer. Through the fire and hurricane, Jah love still A room full of doubt and fear, but mama voice says Jah is near. Every night she fast and pray, calling healing in a holy way. Even when hope feel far away, mama trust in Jah every day. She refuse be accept defeat, cause miracle walks on spiritual feet. Then slowly strength start coming back, like light breaking through the crack. Pain still there but fading slow, like Jah mercy start to grow. Now I understand true suffering deep. Faith is the promise Jah will keep, and every tear that we shed in pain turns to blessings like falling rain. Hold on mama, don't stop praying. Jah hear every word you say, even darkness must obey. When light of Jah find a way, give thanks always Jah. Even when life gets harder, through the sickness and the pain, Jah blessings fall like rain. Give thanks always Jah. When the road feel longer, through the fire and hurricane, Jah love still remain. Cedric Rootsman. For the mothers, the sick, the broken, Jah healing never fail. One love always. Yeah, Cedric Rootsman. Chant for the earth people, for every farmer working in the sun. Just see this way, Jah bless the side. Righteous farmer working pon the land, sweat pon him face but strength in him hands. Planting hope while the world turn cold. Simple life worth more than gold. Righteous farmer under sun and rain, still him rise up through the struggle and pain. No riches needed for him soul feel whole. Nature and Jah keep him in control. Food prices rising every day, still the farmer find a honest way. No corruption in his soul. Jah bless the humble and self-control. Him wake up early before the sun arise, listening to the birds in the open skies, digging the soil with patience and care, knowing Jah presence is always there. Middleman try to pressure him down, offer quick money but him turn it down, cause integrity worth more than gold, and truth must always be told. Rain fall heavy but him never complain, even drought season come with pain, still him plant seed with steady hand, believing Jah will bless the land. Oh shortcut to a righteous life, only hard work through struggle and strife. But every seed will touch the ground, one day fruit a go come around. Righteous farmer working pon the land, sweat pon him face but strength in him hands. Planting hope while the world turn cold. Simple life worth more than gold. Righteous farmer under sun and rain, still him rise up through the struggle and pay. No riches needed for him soul feel whole. Nature and Jah keep him in control. Children helping pon the family farm, learning discipline and avoiding harm. No city pressure corrupt them mind, just honest living and peace them find. Government talking but help slow come, still the farmer now wait pon none. Him trust the soil and Jah timing right, cause patience always bring the light. Broken relationship in a past him life, too much stress and emotional strife, but nature healing broken heart and give him strength for a brand new start. Neighbors respect him humble way, cause him work hard every single day. No boasting, no greed, no selfish gain. Just gratitude to sun and rain. Even when life get tough and rough, him never switch a rock too tough. Cause righteousness keep him standing tall, and Jah never let him fall. Plant your seed and let it grow. Every honest heart will know that simple life is rich indeed when Jah provide everything you need. Righteous farmer working pon the land, sweat pon him face but strength in him hands, planting hope while the world turn cold. Simple life worth more than gold. Righteous farmer under sun and rain, still him rise up through the struggle and pain. No riches needed for him soul feel old. Nature and Jah keep him in control. Cedric Rootsman, respect to the earth workers. The humble shall inherit the land. One love, Jah guide.
Cedric Rootsman, chant truth tonight for every voice unheard, for every sufferer in the struggle. Jah justice rising slow but sure. Well, na 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 na. Chant down corruption tonight. Expose the wickedness hiding from sight. Poor people tired, we suffer and crawl. Jah justice a go rise over all. Chant down corruption, break every chain. Too much suffering, too much pain. Truth a go shine like morning light, and Babylon system must lose the fight. Government talking but the youth still poor. Crime and hunger knocking on the door. Hospitals crowded and the people stressed. Still politicians live in bliss. Them sit down in a big office chair, making promises but them never care. Election time them come with smile, then disappear. After a while, single mother working overtime shift still can't afford basic things to live. Food prices rising every single day, while salaries barely get paid. Youth man graduate but no job in sight, so frustration turn into street fight. System set up to divide and rule, leaving poor people feeling like fool. Media talking but truth get blurred. Real suffering never fully heard, but the streets them know what's real and right, and truth still burning through the night. How long we must suffer in a silence while corruption deep like violence? But Jah hear the cry of the weak, and justice soon a go speak. Chant down corruption tonight. Expose the wickedness hiding from sight. Poor people tired, we suffer and crawl. Jah justice a go rise over all. Chant down corruption, break every chain. Too much suffering, too much pain. Truth a go shine like morning light, and Babylon system must lose the fight. Old man sitting on the roadside chair, watching country crumble without care. He remember days when hope was strong. Now everything feel like it gone wrong. Police and power working hand in hand, while innocent people can't understand. Justice system moving slow and blind, leaving broken hearts far behind. But you them rising with vice and soul, spreading truth that can't be bold. Music become the weapon of change, rearranging the system range. Rastaman chanting on the corner street, teaching love and truth to every youth he meet. Singing one love, but still aware that Babylon system full of snare. Even when pressure try press we down, hope still rising all around. Cause history show and prophecy say truth will win at the end of the day. No more silence, no more fear. Justice time is drawing near. Every lie must disappear when Jah truth become crystal clear. Rise up, people, speak out strong. Right and wrong can't stay too long. Every system built on greed shall fall beneath the righteous seed. Stand down corruption tonight. Expose the wickedness hiding from sight. Poor people tired, they suffer and crawl. Jah justice I go rise over all. Stand down corruption, break every chain. Too much suffering, too much pain. Truth I go shine like morning light, and Babylon system must lose the fight. Cedric Rootsman, chanting for the people. Justice is not a dream, it's a promise. Jah will rise over all systems. One love, one truth, forever. Hear the ancient drums calling. Mama Africa cry tonight. From Kingston ghetto to Addis Ababa, Jah know the suffering of the people. Cedric Rootsman, chant them truth, yeah. Ancient drums of Africa beating in my soul, calling every sufferer, trying to reach them goal. From the ghettos of Kingston to the streets of Bra, Jah never forget the broken and the sky. Hey! Ancient drums of Africa sounding true tonight, giving strength to the weak, still holding on tight. The Babylon system try to keep we down low. Rastafarian still burning and the whole world know. Hey, hey. We don't crying pon the corner every night, trying to feed a picnic while our future out of sight. Babylon pressure heavy pon her brain, still she pray to Jah through the storm and rain. Young youth losing work last week Friday, pocket empty but him still have to find a way. Bills piling up like mountain high, still him lift him hands and ask Jah why. Hospital line full up every day, poor people sick and them can't afford to pay. Mama need medicine fees are pain, but the landlord still a knock again. Some man smiling but them soul dead inside. Broken relationship make them lose them pride. Friends turn enemy when the money gone. Now them walking through the valley all alone. Still the drums keep beating louder every day, like Marcus Garvey words still showing we the way. No matter how the wicked try divide and fight, your children have to rise and unite tonight. Ancient drums of Africa beating in my soul, hey! Calling every sufferer, trying to reach them goal. From the ghettos of Kingston to the streets of Broad, Jah never forget the broken and the sky. Hey! Ancient drums of Africa sounding true tonight, giving strength to the weak, still holding on tight. The Babylon system try to keep it down low. Rastafarian still burning and the whole world know. Hey! Remember slavery days and the whip them youth, how them chain we ancestors and rob we roots, but the spirit never dead, it survived through pain. Now Africa calling every black soul again. Single mother working 2 jobs every day, still society treat her like she in the way. But just see every tear where she cry in silence, and one day peace I go conquer violence. Youth man tempted fi run go rob and steal, cause hungry belly make desperation real. But the ancient wisdom whisper in I ears, all the fake youth brighter days near. Old man sitting by the roadside alone, children overseas and him barely hold a phone. Still him be deny a bingy jump slow, giving thanks for the life Jah allow him fi know. Africa calling, hear the voices from afar. Ancient kings and queens know you
system, make you hate yourself.
Black history worth more than silver and wealth.
Rise up, sufferer.
Rise up, widows.
Rise up, widow.
Rise up, poor people.
Rise up, Africa.
Too much jealousy and corruption in the land. Politicians shaking dirty blood-stained hands. Them promise hope before election time, then disappear while the poor man cries. Still the Rasta man
Chant.
food pan meal, teaching little youths positive and scared. Herbs for healing and prayers for the weak. Truth and consciousness every time him speak. Woman battling cancer still praising Jah name. Even through the suffering she not complain. Faith stronger than the pain in her chest, knowing one day Jah go give her rest. Me see the world getting colder every year. More depression, more war, more fear. But ancient drums still echo through creation, calling every soul to all liberation.
Drums of Africa,
Beating
in my soul.
calling every sufferer.
Trying to reach them, but
Ho, 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 ho. From the ghettos of
Kingston to the streets abroad.
ho. Jah never forget the broken and the scarred. Ancient drums of Africa,
Sounding through the night.
giving strength to the weak, still holding on tight.
The Babylon system try to keep we down low.
Rastafarian still burning,
And the whole world know.
hear the drums,
Hear the drum,
hear Mama Africa calling.
one love.
One people, one destiny. Cedric Rootsman, Chant truth for the sufferers. Jaga forevermore.
Whoa, whoa. Say, yeah, yeah. Cedric Rootsman, Chant true tonight. From plantation days to modern times, the chains change, but the struggle remains. Marcus Garvey words still echo. Slavery days, remember, still haunting with today. Different chains, but Babylon still rule the way. Mental slavery, keeping poor people blind. Still Marcus words living in our mind. Slavery days, remember, through the tears and pain. Generations fighting just to rise again. System built to keep the sufferers behind. Still freedom lives inside the people mind. Single mother working hard overtime, still can't pay rent though she trying every time. Politicians promise but them never care. Poor people burden getting hard for beer. She wake before sunrise every morning cold, carrying responsibilities too heavy for whole. Children need food and the bills overdue, yet society acts like they don't have a clue. Young black youth getting judged by his skin before him even speak. Them assume him guilty of sin, trying to find work but the door stay shut. No frustration and anger building up. Meanwhile the rich man drinking wine in luxury, while poor families crying in misery. Modern slavery, wearing suit and tie, working people barely surviving while prices rise high. From cotton fields to corporate chains, too many people still living in pain. But Jah gives strength to endure this time, and one day justice shall be bound. Slavery days, remember, still haunting we today. Different chains, but Babylon still rule the way. Mental slavery, keeping poor people blind. Still Marcus words living in our mind. Slavery days, remember, through the tears and pain. Generations fighting just to rise again. System built to keep the sufferers behind. Still freedom lives inside the people mind. Old man sitting with memories deep, thinking about ancestors who never knew peace. Whip scars fade, but the trauma remain. Passed through generations like inherited pain. Broken relationship from financial stress. Too much pressure make love become less. Husband lose him job and depression step in. Know him fighting silent battles within. Young girl scrolling through the internet lies, comparing herself till she breaks down and cries. Mental chain stronger than iron, sometimes destroying confidence deep inside the mind. Hospitals crowded and the sick can't cope. Many losing faith and slowly losing hope. But the Rastaman drum still beating strong, reminding the sufferers they still belong. Education teach half and hide the truth, leaving confusion in the hearts of the youth. But Marcus Garvey voice still clear today. Know yourself and you shall find a way. No more chains upon the mind.
No more suffering for mankind.
Africa lives inside the soul.
Truth and freedom make us whole.
Rise up widows,
Rise up workers.
rise up broken hearts. Jah children shall survive. Slavery days, remember, still haunting we today. Different chains, but Babylon still rule the way. Mental slavery, keeping poor people blind. Still Marcus words living in our mind. Slavery days, remember, through the tears and pain. Generations fighting just to rise again. System built to keep the sufferers behind. Still freedom lives inside the people mind. Cedric Rootsman speaking truth. Freedom start within the mind. Ancestors watching from the hills of Zion. One love, one destiny, Jah guide forever. Africa calling. Can you hear the voices from Zion? Cedric Rootsman chant for the lost souls. From Kingston streets to Addis Ababa mountains. Jah calling his children home. Eternal Africa calling me home. Tired of living in Babylon cold stone. Just say remember where you come from. Africa waiting for every lost son. Eternal Africa deep in my soul. Searching for peace while this wicked world cold. From the pain and confusion we carry along. Mama Africa singing redemption song. Man lose himself chasing vanity. Now him searching for peace and sanity. Broken relationship mash up him heart. Now him begging Jah for a brand new start. Used to run after money and temporary fame. Now every night he feels empty just the same. Fancy clothes and parties could never heal the pain. So him turn to Jah while standing in the rain. Woman working hard but still feeling trapped. Giving all her love and receiving nothing back. Single mother crying after the children sleep. Asking Jah for strength because the burden deep. Young youth searching for identity. That's between social media and reality. Trying to fit in while forgetting his roots. Till Rastaman wisdom reveal the truth. Marcus Garvey words start echoing his brain. Know your culture and break the mental chains. Now him all is head higher than before. Realizing Africa lives forever in his core. No matter where Babylon scatter we apart. Africa still living deep within the heart. From the drum beat to the ancient song. Jah children searching where them belong. Eternal Africa calling me home. Tired of living in Babylon cold stone. Just say remember where you come from. Africa waiting for every last son. Eternal Africa deep in my soul. Searching for peace while this wicked world cold. From the pain and confusion we carry along. Mama Africa singing redemption song. Hey. Old father sitting by the seaside shore. thinking about the homeland he never saw before. Yet somehow deep inside him spirit know Africa calling through the wind that blow. Youth man losing work and depression step near. Babylon system filling hearts with fear. But now your bingy drum still beat through the night, reminding every sufferer to continue the fight. Sister battling sickness but she still stands tall. Even when the doctor said the chance is small, faith in Jah stronger than the pain she feels, knowing spiritual wounds Jah alone can heal. Broken marriage leaves scars upon the soul. Too much pride and anger taking control. Still somewhere beneath the hurt and pain, love and forgiveness can bloom again. Children growing up without guidance today, pulled by violence and easy money ways. But the elders still teaching righteousness and truth, trying to preserve the culture for the youth. Africa, not just a physical land, it's spiritual strength and divine command. A place of identity, wisdom and grace, where lost souls finally find their place. Hear the lion roar across the plains tonight. Hear the ancient drums under moonlight. No more mental slavery, no more identity crisis. Jah children rising, Africa forever, eternal Africa calling me home. Tired of living in Babylon, cold stone. Just say remember where you come from. Africa waiting for every last son. Eternal Africa deep in my soul, searching for peace while this wicked world cold. From the pain and confusion we carry along, Mama Africa singing redemption song. Cedric Rootsman chanting, one Africa, one people, one destiny. From Kingston to Ethiopia, repatriation of the mind and soul. Jah guide forevermore. Grateful every day. This one from the heart. In his hands, his word keeps my faith alive, and by his strength I stand, holding on to all his promises. Hey. Let his holy will be done. Ooh. Even through the darkest nights, oh, I know I'm not alone. Yeah. Even when the pressure comes and troubles fill my head, I remember who saved my soul and raised me from the dead. Jah by my side, I stand strong. No fear can hold me down for long. Even when the trials try to shake my mind, Jah by my side. Everything I do right now, I do it with no regrets. All my sins have been forgiven through the love and grace I met. He's the reason that I breathe, the reason my heart still beats. So why should I live in shame when his mercy rescued me? That's the trap the devil wants to keep me chained in yesterday. But since I gave my life to Christ, blessings rain on me each day. His grace found me in loneliness. In my darkest hour, his light
No more tears without a sound.
The King of Kings has made me free.
And His Spirit lives in me.
From the valley
to the mountain high,
I keep my
eyes upon the sky.
every step and every breath.
I give Him praise with all that's left.
Jah, 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 Jah love guide me through the storm.
Jah keep me safe.
Keep me warm.
When the road gets hard to climb,
When the road
Jah stay with me all the time.
Jah by my side,
Jah,
I stand strong.
no fear.
Can hold me down for long.
Yeah. Even when the trials try shake my mind, Jah by my side.
Jah by my side.
Every time,
Blessings falling day and night.
walking now within His light.
Jesus is the reason I survive.
Jah by my side, all my life. This season is